Hello and welcome to the channel. Ines Nasri here. Thank you for stopping by. This is a channel for busy business leaders who want to keep up to date with everything digital, have an effective digital education on the go and fast. This is also for business leaders who want to be aware of all the opportunities as much as possible that the digital world had to offer to their business. I spent nearly 2 decades working with business leaders, helping them bring their brands online, educating them. I have the opportunity to work with business leaders and owners every single day. And I was blessed enough to have a career that took me to several countries, spoke on 4 continents, and I was blessed to know all those amazing business leaders that are changing the world every single day. This channel is yours. I can't wait to hear from you, listen to your ideas, hear your feedback. Please feel free to share any feedback that you might have. I learned a lot and I'm still learning every single day. So let's make this happen. Can't wait to hear from you. See you on the other side.